Okay, in this video we're going to do a quick run through of using SheetCAM and bringing it into the user interface and getting ready to cut a part. Double click on SheetCAM, opens up. You then need to set your job size, select options, job options, change the part, the size of your job. So for example, a 5x10 would be 60 by 120, or a 4x8 would be 48 by 96. I have a 6x12 table here, so what you're seeing is the size of the sheet. This is your rapid clearance, the height that your torch will raise up and travel from part to part, and this is a plunge safety clearance, the distance it will slowly look for material. Select OK. This always needs to be in that location. I can then import a new part, select right click, select new part, bring in your part, make sure this says DXF, select open, inch, I drew this in inch, you select this right here and it will drop your part in this corner. This will drop the part in that corner. Select OK. There's my part. I can then take and nest it, drag it over. I can right click, hit duplicate, drop in more than one. I can right click, hit multiple duplicate, drop in multiples, like so. Right click, hit cancel. I can drag a box over them, delete them. If I delete the original, I'm hitting delete. If I delete the original, I will delete all of them. Bring it back in, right click, new part, DXF, open, this corner, there we go. Now I'm going to create a toolpath for my part. I need to select the view toolpath. This is very important as it will not let you select anything right there. Select the view toolpath, create a new jet cutting operation, outside offset, select your layer, select your tool for whatever size of steel it is. It will automatically update the feed rate. All this information will automatically update. Overcut is a distance it will travel beyond where it started to finish the cut. It's nice to have just a little bit there. Reverse cut direction should always be checked. I generally always leave the holes rule on. If you would like to change that rule, you can select the triple dots, double click, select your feed rate, 50%, pretty standard. Okay, okay. Disable digital torch height this operation. We're not going to use that. I generally don't recommend to use auto set as it seems to cause some problems. Minimum cut length for digital torch height, 1 inch. That's fine as long as you're not doing 1 inch, 3/4 inch steel. Lead in, arc, 3/10. I can then change that, something smaller. Lead out, arc, make that smaller. Start at the center of circle smaller than 2 inches. You select OK. I can see that it's starting in the center. The blue path is essentially my holes traveling at 50% of the prescribed speed. I am now ready to hit File, Run Post Processor, and save this part. I then name it. I hit save. I remember where I saved it at. That's very important. Hit save. I can then minimize and go to Command CNC or Boss Tables logo. Open up the user interface. Select open. Recently used. Double click. There's my part.